This assessment asks us to calculate the index of hydrogen deficiency for the molecule shown. I've gone ahead and written out the equation for calculating the index of hydrogen deficiency, so it's as simple as plugging in the numbers. We're going to take the number of carbons, which in this case is 6, subtract from that the number of hydrogens divided by 2. We have 12 hydrogens, 12 divided by 2. The number of halogens divided by 2, we have 0 halogens, plus the number of nitrogens divided by 2, we have 0 nitrogens. Add 1 to that. Modify the equation. 6 minus 0 plus 1 gives us an index of hydrogen deficiency of 1, which means that there is one double bond or one double bond equivalent present in this molecule.